With these 3 signals, how did I make $39 from 3 trades? The last signal in this video will definitely not disappoint you. Right now, it is 2:49 p.m. on December 5th. I'm going to pause the video here so you can get a clear overview of the current market structure. After my afternoon nap, I sat back down to analyze the charts. What immediately stood out was a strong uptrend, followed by a sharp pullback into an old support zone, and then a bounce. At this point, gold had formed 2 very clear trend lines. So what do these 2 trend lines tell us? Pretty obvious, right? They define an uptrend. And right now, price is touching the lower trend line. There is a high chance I will look for a buy opportunity here. Pay close attention. At the previous low, price reacted very strongly when it touched the lower trend line. So I'm simply waiting for a similar reaction to enter a trade. There it is. See that? Price bounced hard immediately. If this candle closes like this, I will enter the trade. To set things up quickly, I place my stop loss below the trend line and take profit around 2R. This time, aiming for 3R would be difficult. Did I just get stopped out? Yes, but that is totally fine. Losses are part of trading. If someone says they never lose trades, they are probably lying. So let us look for the next opportunity. Now I will wait for price to move up toward the upper trend line and look for a sell because the lower trend line is no longer acting as support. Trust me. Yes. Keep pushing higher. See that? The lower trend line is no longer support anymore. Price broke through it very easily. Now watch closely. The wick that hit my stop loss earlier actually held price from closing below it. Then we got 2 doji candles, clear signs of indecision between buyers and sellers. Even with that battle, price still did not close below the wick. And now, you know this setup, right? If this turns into a bearish candle, that is perfect. I enter a sell immediately. Could this be another trap? Maybe. If I get stopped again, people will probably laugh at me. But 2 losing trades in a row is completely normal in trading. There we go, candle closed below. I take the sell. Stop loss is still a must. Risk management always comes first. Take profit stays at 2R. The trend is not very strong here, so caution is better. This trade already recovered the previous loss. Is trading easy or hard? Now we just keep observing and wait for the next signal. This pattern was explained in a previous video. Does it look familiar? These 2 trend lines resemble a bearish flag pattern. This is battlefield experience, real lessons paid for with losses. I am not rich, unlike those scammers who love to flex and show off. Now price has broken below the lower trend line, but do not rush into a sell yet. Always remember, price often comes back to retest before continuing lower. That is why I wait for the retest and then sell. This way I get a better entry at a higher price. See, told you. I take the sell immediately. Still targeting 2R. If this trade wins and you are not following me yet, make sure you do. So after 3 consecutive trades, the total profit is $39. If you enjoy real practical trading content like this, follow me so you do not miss any future lessons. And if you learn something, do not forget to leave a heart. I am 10-Hour Trader, here to help you trade better.